model, 57-plate Nissan PRIMASTAR VIVARO TRAFIC 2.0 dCi low mileage needs injector. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 79,131. MOT, 25 January 2024. Engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 115 bhpc. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine, cylinder number 2 misfire, needs number 2 injector replacing, always clean, low mileage, PRIMASTAR grin. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Very low mileage for its age and only one owner from new. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensor.